What's up, everybody? This is Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the MSA 400. Now this one here, it's 4x4 right here, as you can see right in the video. It also is fuel injected. So this one here, it's got nice, super rugged tire, lots of knobs right there. Again, this is a 12-inch steel rim, black steel rim, along with the winch and of course the snow plow. This one, very easy to operate, up and down. All you got to do is hit the button here, in and out, and it goes ahead and maneuvers up and down. You also have your rack in the front, rack in the back. This one here, again, fuel injection, high and low. It's got the nice digital dash. You've got reverse, very easy to reverse. And then once again, neutral, forward, high, and low. And then of course, it also has two-wheel drive, switchable into four-wheel drive with one button right there. Call us right now, toll-free, 866-606-3991. It's got overdrive right there on the override on the lights, as well as you've got your nice high-low, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, switchable. Call us right now, toll-free, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com.